Hi, this is Lee from 3D360. Here to do another video today about 3D printing jigs and fixtures. We did our previous one, started off with a very simple drilling jig that we use for the Ultimaker extraction hood that we manufacture. So today we're dealing with the Zortrax M300 Plus printer. As you can see, it's quite a big old unit. So when the Zortrax unit comes in, it's a fully enclosed printer, but it only has magnetic catches. At 3D360 we do a very good safety upgrade kit called the Safe and Secure bundle, which involves fitting locks onto the front door and the top access panel. So to ensure that these are in the same place all the time, if we was trying to drill this, even a pilot hole, it wouldn't be supported at the back and the chance of the plastic cracking. So what we do is we produce a little simple two-piece split drilling fixture which positions the hole saw but also locates on the door. So this feature here locates perfectly on the door. Put the two pieces in, clamp them together, let it go, sort of thing. So this is almost like a hands-free drilling jig. Great thing is that 3D printed parts are very accurate, so the fit is very good. You know, it supports the hole saw without anything attached to it. I won't drill this on camera because it's quite an intensive drilling and I don't want to crack this on camera because it might increase the viewing figures, but I don't want to do it. So this is just a little bit more complex drilling fixture. As promised, we'll go into more detail in following videos. Great thing about this is we do a design and print service in-house at 3D360. Most of the expense is in the actual design. The actual producing of the printed components is very cheap. Great thing is that if this fixture starts to wear out, throw it away, print another one. Very light, easy to store. Even if you've got another job set for this in 3 months' time, you don't even have to store it. This is recyclable material. Throw it away, and then as and you need it, just print another one. The very cheap, cost-effective, very accurate, and it's the smart way to do this. If this was a CNC part, machine metal part, you'd have to be worried about scratching the panels. And just for the setting costs alone to produce a one-off CNC component, you're talking hundreds and hundreds of pounds just for setting it up. And that is subtractive material, so with this additive manufacturing there's no waste. You just use what you want, and it's a win-win really. It's definitely a game changer when it comes to drilling jigs and fixtures. Anyway, look forward to look out for our next videos. As I said, we'll go into a little bit more detail, a bit more complexity, more complex and strange shapes that help you repeatability in drilling positions. And look out for our YouTube and visit our website for more information. Speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.